Hey, thank you for checking out this video. In this video, we are going to learn how to use tables in Wix Studio. This will be a CMS based table because that's what they are providing, right? You can't have a static table right now, but you can use a CMS based table, and with Velo code also you can create a table, right? So let's dive into the video and learn in detail. So I'm in my Wix Studio project, and as you can see, I already have a table here and it is connected to the CMS, right? For tables, you have to have a CMS to connect with your tables, or you can do it using the Velo coding also. But here we are going to use CMS. So let me delete this part first, and I'll do it from scratch. To add a table, click on this plus icon, click on the layout tools inside tables, and select anything that you want. In my case, I want image, uh, and I want to showcase my work section, right, in a table format. So what I'm going to do, I will choose this one. You can choose any and follow the steps I'm showing you here for other tables also. So here, to manage table, click on the manage table. You have all these columns, and then for the settings for your table, clicking selects rows, cells, or whatever you want to do. Links open in new window if you are adding a links or anything that you uh, adding here for these tables, right? Dat format, if you want, which dat format do you want for the in the table, right? Clicking on the layout icon, you have this automatic table height. Right now it's automatic setting based on the content I have, but if you want to set it like custom, right, so it will be like one of two, means the 3 or 2 items are on the next page, I would say, for the table. But I'll use the automatic here. And column width equal, because I want them to look perfect, not like this. Otherwise, look at here, it's not looking good, right? So I use the equal one here. And show header, if you want to show header or not, amenities, economy and standard. Yes, I want to show, then I'm showing them here. Header height 60, row height 50, means this header, its height is 60, and the rows, you see these pink white, their height is 50 pixels. The direction is left to right or right to left, it's up to you. If you are building a website from right to left style kind of website, then you can use this. Alignments are in the center, but you can have on the left hand side, but I will use them in the center, right? So these are basic settings. I will also show you, after connecting CMS, how you can change the colors of this pink to anything that you want that matches with your brand colors. So select the table, and initially your this tab will be selected, but select these CMS connections, and you must have collections in your CMS, right? So right now I'm going to use let's say this data set. Let me delete that data set so that I can show it to you from scratch. I'll remove the data set, right? Select the table, add a data set, and inside the data set, choose a collection. I'm going to choose my work collection, where I have the title and the image of my work, right? You can name the data set so that you can use it when you're using Velo coding. So right now, see, it's gone, the content is gone from here. So you have to add columns. Okay, so which column do you want to add? Choose a column. I want to add a title, my table to have a title, and another column, I want to show the image also here. Let me show image, right? Add a image column there. So now, right now you have this title and the image. So this is how you want. You can do from the data set settings, where you can change the sorting and filter whatever you want. You can do this fetch after the page loads for lazy loading and for improving the speed of your website, right? So that's it for this part of connecting with the CMS. It's very easy. Now let's come to this design part. In this design part, you have the header background. This header background color is white, but I'll make it that color. And the first and last column here, let's make it this one, or let's say anything that matches. I think let's use this one, right? I'm just playing with it. Row background color, what is the background color we can use here is this color. An alternative row background color, we can use this one or this one, right? I'm just playing with it, so don't worry about anything, right? Let's make it white, or let's have it like 0, so that all are same, equal. And the background on hover, when someone hovers on this, what is the background color you want to show? Select row cells. So all these things that you can change from here. You can change the text color from here. Right now it's black, let's make it white. It's for header, sorry, I'm really sorry for that one. Let's keep it black. And for first and last row text color, it's black. Row text color, let's make it white. Here link color, you can change it, and this one, let's make it. So now look at this. So we have customized it. I know it's not looking that good, but the purpose here to show you how it can be done, right? So if you have your designs, then you can customize the way I just showed you. Select this and you can change the row colors and the header colors and the height and width of your columns and rows, right? You can do that easily. Hey, so that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something out of it. If you have any queries or questions, do reach out to me, leave a comment, or just email me. I will help you out with your queries, right? And if you want to create amazing layouts without building them, then you can check out my new UI kit library for Wix Studio, which is based on the Tailwind CSS, and it's responsive. You can create amazing layouts with it for your personal or your clients' projects.